Hello everyone! Welcome to Maxi channel and it's our field trip day. Yes, field trip po ito na aking mga children, school year 2025-2026. Ayan po ang aming mga baon. Nakapag-prepare na ako para hindi na pipila ng mahaba. And we are already here sa bus because the assembly time is 4:30 a.m. and then the departure time is 5:30 a.m. So, ayan po, nandun na kami sa bus, naka-ready na. And by the way guys, the itinerary destination of our field trip, there are 4 places. First, the Museo El Deposito in San Juan City. Second, the Tales of Ilumina. Third, Binhi ng Kulturang Pilipino in Pampanga City. And the last one, the fourth one, Science True Sense sa Pampanga din. So we are here na po sa first destination, which is Museo El Deposito, located in Pinaglabanan, San Juan City. Ayan. This place is very historical and very important in the lives of Filipinos. So, this Museo El Deposito is a history museum in the city of San Juan in Metro Manila, Philippines, which features the Carriedo water system, including the El Deposito underwater reservoir. Ayan. The museum is situated within the grounds of the Pinaglabanan Shrine, which is opened on February 20, 2019. Sino po ba si Carriedo? So, si Francisco Carriedo y Peredo. He was a Spanish Captain General and philanthropist who initiated and funded the construction of the water system that leads to El Deposito Reservoir. Ayan po. So, dahil kay Carriedo Peredo isang Spanish, ay nagsimula pong magkaroon ng clean water ang Metro Manila. So guys, welcome to my premiere today and please enjoy the rest of the video po. And I hope that you will enjoy this very famous and historic place in the Philippines. Rotary clubs. Kuya Mac Lloyd. Max. Uling. Filter. Filter nila na.
Sorry, follow up po tayo sa base para mapunta na sa atin.
Okay. Kaya pala pinaglabanan elementary school kasi may history siya ng labanan sa San Juan. Picture kayo. Max, look at here. Wala nang magpipicture. Picture Hindi silang dalawa. Max, look at here. That's not ashes, charcoal yata yan. Hawak-hawak mo kasi madilim. Malaglag ka dyan, dito. So guys, in this point po sa aking video is we are going down na po sa reservoir underground. Yan na po siya. It's quite dark po dito. And then ayan po, makikita po natin yung old ano na talaga niya, yung may pagkaluma na po talaga yung place, dahil ito po ay nung panahon pa to ng Spanish, during the Spanish era pa po ito. So ito po yung El Deposito Reservoir. It is a historic Spanish era waterworks, the largest of its kind in the country, built to supply Manila with water, which later became a key site in the Philippine Revolution, an armory and a hospital, now housing a museum that tells its story about through artifacts and VR. So, sabi pa nga doon sa aming tour guide, itong underground na to ay naging hospital din po ito ng panahon ng Spanish. Yung mga patient po na nagkasakit ng tuberculosis, dito po sila in-isolate sila dito sa underground na to para hindi mag-spread po yung virus na tuberculosis. So, if we can imagine po, this place, this underground ng Spanish era, ay naging, din po ito, naging kanlungan din po ito ng mga, naging hospital din po ito ng panahon na yung tuberculosis, para hindi mag-spread out yung virus. So, they preserve this place para maging tourist spot, destination, and educational na rin po para sa mga ating mga learners. Ayan. Max, tingin! Max! Smile! Unang sigaw. Doon ka, picturean kita dyan. With teacher. Yung unang sigaw yan. Max, tingin. Bus number 4. Bus number 4. Diyan Dito, Beng. Max, dito picture ka. Max! Dito. Yan na yung fight ng Filipino against Spaniard yan. Tres Bonifacio. Maximo! Dana. Oh, ang ganda.